Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Happy Sunday. Yes, you guys, it is Sunday and you know what that means, right? We are 1 week away from semi-annual sale at Bath & Body Works. If you are unfamiliar with semi-annual sale, it happens 2 times a year at Bath & Body Works. Select items are up to 75% off. And this video today is your ultimate guide to SAS. We're going to be talking all of the Bringback scents, brand new fragrances for semi-annual sale, pricing, floor layout, yes, store layout guide, as well as some tips about how to snag those 75% off candles that everybody is looking for. Okay, let's get into this. Next Sunday, June 14th. And the evening, I believe, I'm not sure what time, God only knows, we have no information on this one yet. But if I had to guess, I'm going to say probably like 6 o'clock, maybe even 8 o'clock. They are going to do the online preview for SAS, which means select fragrances are going to be $3.95 online only. Now, the very next day in store, those prices jump to $4.95, but still, that is not a bad deal. Let's go over what fragrances are actually going to be in these $3.95, $4.95 field. The first scent is Poppy, the ones that they're bringing back. Poppy, it's a great scent. I've done reviews. Almost every single fragrance that we're going to talk about here for these bringbacks, I have done review videos on. If you look in the search bar tab on my main page, you can type in the name of that fragrance. There's a video attached somewhere. The first fragrance they are bringing back, Poppy. Amazing scent. Highly love that one. Rain-Kissed Leaves for my fresh scent girlies. Secret Wonderland is another great one from years ago. Cashmere Glow. Oh, fingers crossed they've done these right. Country Chic is coming back. Black Amethyst. Open Sky. Cucumber Melon. Did it ever go away? Yeah. Cucumber Melon wrapped in vanilla. Now listen, y'all. If they did Wrapped in Vanilla dirty, you know over at Banger Beauty by Mary, we have Vanilla Embrace, and it is spot on and strong, baby girl. So if they do it dirty, and even if they don't, because I already know the quality of Banger Beauty by Mary, get your butt over there and get you some Vanilla Embrace. Cactus Blossom is coming back, and Lemon Pomegranate Cream. Now with the store layout, all of those fragrances we just mentioned are going to be in the very front of the store when you walk in. According to the information I have sitting in front of me, they're all going to be on that entry table, right? The back of that table right behind it is going to be the Tropical Collection, which is also going to be $3.95 online on the 14th. On the 15th, it's going up to $4.95. The Tropicals is Waikiki Beach, Bahamas, Viva Brazil, Dreaming of Rio. All of those scents, I highly recommend Viva Brazil. If you have not tried it, it is an amazing summertime scent. But all of those tropical scents will be $3.95. Now, I've had a ton of people asking me about the summer scents. Firecracker Pop, Neapolitan Ice Cream, Pina Colada Swirl. No, babe, no, they are not going to be included for summer semi-annual sale. The sale for $5.95 is still going on today at Bath & Body Works. Today is the best time to grab those fragrances if you're looking for them. Now, I hear there's going to be a side table next to the entry table with 75% off items. You want to know what they are? Peeps. Yes, the Peeps collab they did for Easter is going to be on that side table, 75% off. Rose, the Time True Classic Rose will be 75% off. The Sweetest Song is going to be retired, y'all. Yes, Sweetest Song, they are discontinuing it. So Sweetest Song core line products will be 75% off. Honey, I'm going to be looking for that full-size perfume. The Musk Trio, Fruity Musk, Warm Musk, Fresh Musk will all be 75% off. Sweetheart Cherry, Strawberry Pound Cake. Now, I am being told that stores that have a low inventory to begin with 75% off products, are going to get the following items to make sure they have enough stock of 75% off. Old packaging of cucumber melon, Lovely Dreamer in the body wash, Pink Chiffon in the body wash, Fairy Tale Fine Fragrance Mist, and Sunshine Mimosa Fine Fragrance Mist and Cream. There's going to be another side table that has 50% off items. That's going to include perfumes, body butters, moisturizing body washes, and gift sets. Now, what those are going to be, I don't know. The surprise is going to be when we get in store. Is 50% off a good deal? It depends how bad you want it, because you can always go back for a price adjustment. What is a price adjustment? If you buy something at 50% off, hang on to your receipt. If in a week or 2 weeks maybe it's dropped down to 75% off, you take that item and your receipt back in store and you get your money back for that price adjustment. You can get it usually in cash, given back to your card, or a Bath & Body Works gift card for future use. So make sure you take advantage of those price adjustments. Now, when it comes to Disney, a lot of people have been asking me about Disney. What's going on with Disney? All Disney is going to be $4.95 for the body care. So if you fell in love with Mulan, you just rediscovered Tiana and remembered how much you loved it, this is going to be the time to get the Disney Princess Body Care for $4.95. There's going to be another 50% off table. It's going to have select everyday luxuries. I've heard it's going to be Hello Happiness, Salted Shorelines, Always Fleur, and a few other ones that they are retiring. So if you're waiting to grab those, maybe grab them at 50% off and wait for the markdown and get you a price adjustment. Forever Cherry Blossom is going to be 50% off. The Vera Bradley collab with that peach one. I don't know if they still have the little bags, the blue bags and the pink bags. Probably not, but anything Vera Bradley should be 50% off. Rose Vanilla is going to be 50% off, as well as Orange Ginger. Me personally, they can keep that Orange Ginger. Oh, it does not smell like it did years ago. Hard pass on that one. Now for the men, they are going to be having a 50% off table as well. All of the old packaging for a lot of the men's core products is going to be 50% off. They're going to be doing a full redesign of the men's core line this coming fall. So if you're looking to snag a good deal on men's care products from the older packaging core line, semi-annual sale, 50% off. Another thing that's going to be 50% off, I'm hearing, in stores already, is the Fruit Fusions. You see this? You see this? Yeah, Fruit Fusions. There is supposedly 3 different scents in this collection. It is Banana Blend, Tangerine Twirl, and Watermelon Whirl. Some of them are going to be available in the little mini body creams, mini sprays, hand sprays. They have a Shea hand cream, 48-hour moisturizing body lotion in some of these. Not every single scent is going to be available in every single form. But I did hear that on those tables, if your store has not got them in already, they should have them in for 50% off. The Fruit Fusions, as well as some of these scent labs I heard as well. Now, there's going to be select new candles. We've talked about these candles in another video. If you missed that video, please go back and look. I did a video on candles that are coming for SAS. They're going to be $12.95, but online on June 14th, they will be $10.95. Now, we don't know ahead of time if you can use a coupon online on the 14th. We don't know, because I have a feeling you may need a code. If they don't have a code, use that coupon, babe, and get those candles even cheaper. Certain wallflowers are going to be $2.95 on the online preview. But the very next day, those candles, $12.95. The wallflowers, $3.95. Hand soaps, a lot of them are going to be 50% off. Now, online only, there's going to be very limited inventory of the following items for 75% off. They are expecting them to be sold out online by 8 a.m. on June 15th. So, baby, the early bird gets the worm. Gingham All-American Creamy Body Wash. Gingham All-American Glitter Mist. A toast to you from this past winter in the Fine Fragrance Mist and the Body Cream. Paris Amour Body Cream. Into the Wild Body Cream from last summer SAS. Bali Mango, they will have the entire line available online, as well as Chocolate Amber in the Fine Fragrance Mist and the Body Lotion. But again, this is all online only. Now, I do have a couple of inside tips for those 75% off candles. Yes, the ones that we are always looking for at semi-annual sale. 75% off 3 wicks. All the candles from winter SAS and fall candles. Online and low volume stores that didn't get a lot to begin with, will have a much larger selection of these 75% off candles. So definitely be on the hunt for that. Now, didn't I mention 5 new scents coming for semi-annual sale? This is kind of giving me Pink's like warm and cozy vibes, but I ain't mad at it. There's 5 new scents coming. It is dewy and delicate. We also have bright and breezy, electric and exotic, crisp and clean, and cozy and creamy. Now, you already know your girl is going to be picking up all that. I don't know the pricing on these brand new 5 cents, but you already know your girl will be picking them up. When it comes to some tips and tricks for the semi-annual sale, it used to be in years past, this was a marathon, not a sprint. You would wait for those items to go 75% off. But what I'm hearing is those bringbacks, every store only received limited quantities. So if you see it for $4.95, do not expect it's going to go lower than that. As well as some other random products in there. I have a feeling this year is going to be a mad dash online and in store. How that's going to play out over the course of semi-annual sale, because it normally goes 3 weeks, sometimes a month, I don't know. They may have more sneaky surprises up their sleeves for the course of semi-annual sale. So we will see what happens. But my advice to you is don't use the game plan that you had from years ago. We are going to go full throttle. We are going ham right off the rip on June 15th, if not the day before on June 14th. My game plan for day 1 is definitely going to be changing up. I will have a video coming out later this week that's going to go over my day 1 game plan. But for now, that is everything we need to know so far as Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I do think I'm going to put out a video later this week, my biggest tips and tricks. I do want to go over that as well as my day 1 game plan. It's going to be a mad dash this year, you guys. I am super excited. But just a heads up, don't forget, Banger Beauty by Mary is doing a semi-annual sale, and ours is starting Friday, babe. Yes, maybe even Thursday. Who knows? You'll have to stay tuned and check your emails. Yeah, but other than that, you guys, let me know, are you super excited for this year's semi-annual sale at Bath & Body Works? What do you plan on snagging? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have a fire tip or trick that you want to share, mention it down below in the comments, honey. Don't gatekeep it. Don't gatekeep it. Yeah, other than that, you guys, we're at my favorite part of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.